Hi guys, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So today in this video, we are going to see one more assignment on major landforms of the earth. Then while children, let's start with your first question. What are the major landforms of the earth? There are mainly three major landforms of the earth, children. One is mountains, plateaus and plains. Then second question, what is the difference between a mountain and plateau? So mountain means, children, mountain and plateau difference. Mountain will be very higher than the surrounding areas. And not only that, so these are naturally elevated on the earth's surface. And whereas coming to the plateaus an elevated flat land, and compared to surrounding areas, so these are flat topped tabular lands. So these are the differences between mountain and plateaus. Now coming to the third question, what are the different types of mountains? So mainly there are three types of mountains, children. One is block mountains, volcanic mountains, then folded mountains. Then coming to the fourth question, how mountains are useful to man? So really children, mountains are very useful to us. So like mountains are a rich variety of flora and fauna. So it consists of different natural resources like water if you take. So this water is useful to people like for their irrigation and to generate electricity. And not only that, mountains are like tourist places nowadays, right? So let us see here answer. Mountains are storehouse of water, which is the basic need of the human beings. So water used for irrigation and to generate the electricity. Mountains have rich variety of flora and fauna. Mountains provide an idyllic site for tourists. Okay, so in this way, mountains are very useful to us. Then fifth question, how are plains formed? So generally plains form due to the interaction of the rivers and their tributaries. So that is what see here answer. Plains are generally formed by the rivers and their tributaries. So the rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. So they carry forward the erode material. So erode material, children, erode material means here like sand, stones and some silt, clay material. So by time of flowing of river, so the river carry forward means they will carry this erode material, that means sand, stone and clay materials. And after some time it will be deposited at one place. So that is what they are telling here. See, so they deposit their load consisting of stones, sand, silt along their courses and the valleys. So it forms these deposits that plains are formed. So like this, plains are formed. Now let's take sixth question. Why the river plains are thickly populated? So compared to mountains, plateaus, plains are very suitable for the human settlement. And not only that, even for agricultural activities also, plains are very useful. So that is what see here. The river plains are very suitable for the human habitation. People get flat land for building houses. That means for cultivation, settlement and cultivation. The soil of river plains is very fertile. Hence people live here and cultivate land for their living. Next, seventh question, children. Why the mountains are thickly populated? Okay, so sorry, not thickly, thinly. Thinly means less populated. So because children, mountains, if you see, the climatic conditions are very harsh. So compared to plains, it is not suitable for the human settlements. So that is the reason. See here, the climate is harsh in the mountain areas. Slopes are steep at the mountains and that reduces the land available for the farming. So because of that reason, mountains are thinly populated, plains are thickly populated. Okay, thickly means more, thinly means less. So these are 7 question answers related to this assignment, children. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Now signing off.